1998 BMW Z3 Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Only a 3-owner car, and actual miles of 27,681 is all. Bright red, dark charcoal interior, 2.8 liter dual overhead cam inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. By the way, AC blows cold in this one. As you can see, paint shows well. Yeah, you may have a spot or two where there's been just a little bit of touch up if there's been a pebble chip or what have you, but overall that front fascia, considering this car is what, creeping up on 30 years old now, nice shape. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see it from every angle. Underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down, and all those still pics, over 100 at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the BMW Correct wheels, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. I will show you the top going up and down. It is a power top. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road also. So passenger side, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, bucket seat, leather interior, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. It does have a Kenwood aftermarket stereo system that's been added, and that is working. Convertible top cover. Nice boot to go over that. Few notes from the technician on this car. Did mention airbag light was on. We're going to take a look at that when we start it up. Check out the dash and the exact miles. 4-wheel disc brakes, brake straight. Brakes are 80% in the rear, 65% in the front. Tires are showing their age. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these German imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. These cars are a lot of bang for the buck too, if you can get into a nice, reliable convertible like this, especially with low miles of clean Carfax and only a 3-owner car. A lot of summer fun here, folks. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Of course, you have your modern amenities with your power windows, the power top, as I mentioned, power mirrors, of course, cruise control, power seat over here on the driver's side, and seats. You can see those are in nice shape. They're not full of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. You get a little bit of natural wear in the bolster from the leather, just how it naturally wrinkles. So no surprises on the interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out this aftermarket stereo too. All right. Whoops, get my hand around there, right? There we go. All right. A little hard to reach sometime one-handed with the camera in the other hand and keys in one hand. All right, dash looks good. Take a peek at the stereo. So that is working. We just want to find a station reception. All right, so here's the exact miles, 27,681. That parking brake I have on, because we're going to put the top up and down. Did mention the airbag light. All right, heated seats, AC controls. Once again, AC blows cold, 5-speed manual. Power window switches. I'm going to show you that those working also when we do the convertible top. And looks like gauges are working. No other lights on. Sounds like you'd expect stock 98 Z3 to sound. Nothing crazy over the top. I don't know if I can get this hood one-handed. take a try here. There we go. Alright, underside of the hood, nice and clean. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven in much spring climate weather. So again, dual overhead cam, inline 6-cylinder, 2.8 liters. Of course, you can see a brake booster back here, so power brakes, AC blows cold. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. All right, let's go ahead, get this convertible top up. We'll check that out. You'll see how it functions up and down, and we'll also check out the condition of it. So give me a second. Let's get that top up. And the convertible top up. So power top, as you can see, functions as it should. Power windows rolled up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric or black cloth top. Side glass again, nice tight fit. No rips, tears, holes. Really, it doesn't show any wear hardly at all. I'm assuming it's probably been down more than it's been up. I know if I had a convertible like this, that's the way it'd be. Passenger side glass also up. Nice fit. So no surprises on the top. I will show you it going back down into the storage compartment and how that works. You gotta actually push the front up and get it up high enough that it starts, and that's the way it's supposed to be, and then the power top takes it the rest of the way down. So I will demonstrate that. Jason's gonna take it for a drive after I show you the top going down. It's a 1998 low mile BMW Z3 convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And let's check out how this top goes back down.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1998 BMW Z3. This is a convertible. It's a 5-speed manual. We've got some simulated wood grain in the dash of this 1998 BMW. Very smooth runner, as most of them are. Bright red on the outside. Clutch feels good, easy to shift, smooth. Between shifts, our fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. This car, from 1998, has less than 30,000 miles on it, believe it or not. I would call that not even broken in at all. Pretty much a new car, and tested to be on the road. Our temperature gauge is right in the middle. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Kenwood stereo in the dash. The AC is blowing cold air. Bucket seats, of course, in this two-seater with roll bars behind my head for safety. If you missed your chance to buy one of these between 1998 and today, think of this as a time capsule from 1998. Very nimble, gripping the ground with some G-force in the corners. Corners very well. They're nice small cars with plenty of power to weight ratio, so they're super fun to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this Z3 over at uniqueclassiccars.com.